AirPods. Apple's truly wireless earbuds were released back in December of 2016. Have you ever had your earbuds ripped from your ears because the cord got caught? AirPods look to eliminate that possibility. They quickly became one of, if not the most popular Apple accessory. The main draw of AirPods was the wireless design, quick pairing to your Apple device, easy switching from one device to another, and their microphones which enabled Siri commands and phone calls. The new AirPods, which is the name Apple went with, look to offer all of this, but is there anything else? So let's start with what's new. There's a wireless Qi charging case, voice-activated Siri, and a new H1 chip instead of the W1 chip that was in the first generation. The new case, which is optional, adds $40 to the AirPods price, bringing the new price to $199. You can still get the new AirPods and the same non-wireless charging case for $159, or you can just buy the new case for $79, which will work with the first gen AirPods. The new case now has the LED indicator light on the outside, so you can tell if it's charging when you set it down on a wireless charger. The light only stays on for a few seconds, so don't expect to glance at the case to make sure it's still charging. You'll just have to trust that it's working. The hinge also looks a little different with more of a satin or brushed finish compared to the first gen's polished look. They also moved the pairing button up a little bit on the back of the case, which can be used to pair the AirPods to other Bluetooth devices. Now with the new AirPods, you can activate Siri hands-free. This is a nice addition for situations when your hands aren't free and you want to change the song or make a call. I have found this to work reliably when you keep your expectations down around Siri's level. I do find this feature limited though because I'm not comfortable using it unless I'm in my home or somewhere where there aren't a lot of people around. The biggest difference so far for me between the first gen and the second has been this new H1 chip. As much as I loved my first set of AirPods, I had issues getting them to connect to my phone, and even more issues when I tried to switch between devices. I don't know if my expectations were too high, but there were many times I would try to connect them to my iPad, but it seems like they were just stuck on my iPhone. Even when I tapped on them in the control center, they still wouldn't connect. So far, the H1 chip has made a world of difference. Everything connects almost the instant I put one or both in my ears, and the same goes for switching between devices. So I want to take a second to talk about the sound quality of the AirPods, which is exactly the same as the first gen. So if you're looking to upgrade, you know exactly what to expect there. A lot of people though think that the AirPods don't sound particularly well. Personally, I have a hard time telling the difference between the AirPods and a more quality set of headphones. But the sound quality is not what you're paying for with these. You're paying for the convenience that they bring. As with the sound quality, the size, shape, and batteries all remain the same. The first gen were incredibly popular, and with good reason. So maybe Apple thought, why change what's working? But these AirPods don't fit well in everyone's ears, because everyone's ears are different. It's also strange that you cannot force the AirPods to update, and you can only update them with another Apple device. So if you have an Android phone, you're out of luck. I wish they offered different colors, only because these get dirty really easily. They're in and out of pockets and ears all day and are bound to collect some dirt along the way. I really wish you could adjust the volume somehow on the AirPods themselves without having to ask Siri to do it. Also, as with most Apple products, you're going to pay a premium, whether or not there's a better alternative. In this case, I'm sure there's a better alternative if you're looking for the best sound quality, but you won't find earbuds that work this well with Apple devices, especially if you own more than one.